If you want to understand life, you have to study the heart. If you want to understand existence, you have to study the heart. It holds the key to life. Obi, the key to existence, the key to vibration. Okay? While the brain, the head, Oboro, Oborishi, it holds the key to knowledge. Knowledge. So the heart is the first to form in a human body. Your heart forms first. The heart is like Oma, and the brain is like Agwu. That's how to, without beating around the bush, okay? Now, if you want to understand how you function, you have to study the brain because it holds the key to the knowledge of self. Microcosmically, that is Uwa-Nta, it holds the key to what the universe is all about in a smaller scale, microcosmically. Uwa-Nta, it holds the key to what Uwa-Ukwu is all about, which is the macrocosm, Uwa-Ukwu. Okay? So, within the mind, there's something called the cause of it. There's something that is associated with it, with the mind. That thing is called thought in English. It's called thought. Okay? In the Bible, yeah? Atu. Atu. Ancient Kemet civilization, they call it Tehuti. Tehuti. It sounds alike. I decoded Tehuti as Di-Atu because they mean the same thing. Tehuti means Lord of thought, or simply thought. Basically, Atu. That's the meaning of Tehuti. Atu is the cause of the mind. Human beings, they don't understand that they have a microcosmic potency, a superpower, and on a microcosmic level, a superpower within them. And that superpower, like the superpower to make changes in their life, to do anything that they want to do, that superpower is called Atu. And the reason why most people don't know why, like they don't know that Atu is the custodian of their lives, is because they're lacking the knowledge of self. That's one reason. You've heard of the saying, like, as a man thinketh. Another thing is that Atu is a name of a very ancient Igbo divinity. And we are told that Igbo people called themselves Atu during Ogachi, that we hailed ourselves as Di-Atu, Atu during Ogachi. Ogachi is the age of internal self-realization, both internal and external self-realization. That's what Ogachi is about. So Ndi Ogachi hailed themselves as Di-Atu, Atu, because they understood that Atu is the cause of everything that happens in this world. Atu is the custodian of your character. Atu holds the key to what you will do today, what you are going to do the next minute. Atu is basically the atom. So like scientifically, science will tell you that the universe originated from atom. The Abrahamists will tell you human beings all trace back to Adam. Right? They'll be telling you all these things. We're talking about thought. Thought is the cause of all things. You, Munagi, as I am talking to you now, just like everything in our world now, just like my physical self, just like your physical self, just like this universe, See, we are the microcosm from a macrocosm. Aibo, ndi Uwa-Nta si Uwa-Ukwu. We are the offspring of a macrocosm, Uwa-Ukwu. That which the universe is creating on a bigger scale, on a macrocosm, you are capable of doing that on a microcosm, which is Uwa-Nta, which is what we are. And then we are told that the first Igbo man is called Ifenta, Ihenta, which means a microcosm, a microcosmic light. That's the meaning of Ifenta, a microcosmic light. That is the name of the first Igbo man. And we are all Umu Ifenta, Umu Ihenta. Chukwu, who is the father of Ifenta, Ihenta, is the macrocosm, which is Ife Ukwu, because Chibu Ife, light. So Chi Ukwu is the same as saying Ife Ukwu, which is the macrocosm, Owa Ukwu, which is, so, but human beings are not aware of this potency that we have within us and how it shapes what we are, what we do, what we will become. Getting a self-realization that are all from Cheleche. If you're hungry right now, your thoughts will be telling you that you're hungry. To go and get food is a thought. You have to, first of all, it was a thought manifested in your head. The thought is the chi of the subconscious mind. It is the chi of the physical existence. It is the chi of our core intellect, which is external. Understanding thought, igota atu, bu igota agwu. Igota hana atu, igota agwu. If you can be able to understand atu, you will gain a tremendous knowledge of what Agwu is. You will have a higher knowledge on Iheba Agwu and how it works. Because Agwu is esoterically Agwagan. It is the molder of Agwagan, Agwani, our behavior. But what is the cause of behavior? The cause of behavior is Atu. And what is the cause of Atu? The cause of Atu is Abia. Abia. And we have one nuche. So one nuche or Bulatu from Atu. Or one Agwa. Then one Agwa. When it manifests in Agwa, then you start to display it. No matter whatever that thing is. Like I said, Iwata Hana Ihebo Atu. Iwata Agwu on a higher level, on a higher plane.
Hi, my name is Ugoebenaja. I'm a self-published author, and this is my magnum opus. Agwa. You guys see it? Agwa. To learn more about the divinities and what they truly represent, get my art book, Agwa. Thank you.